red lipstick. Red lipstick. Red lipstick. Ay, we already have a winner. We already have a winner. We already have a winner. Okay, damo na nila mo daw. Isa lang po, we only have one winner for this game. Sige, it's okay, it's okay. Alright, come here. Come here. Dito ka. Alright, good morning. What's your name?
Amira.
Amira. How old are you? 4.
4.
Saan ka na? Ay, English it ka, ma'am? Ha? Dili na ako, ma'am. Alright. Are you happy?
Yes.
Alright, what can you say to your mother?
I love you.
Wow! Isang masigabong palakpakan naman siya. Napaka-sweet naman ni Baby Amira.